What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are all doing well. This is Regenerate. So this is all about eating tons of fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables, and I've got some herbs here too that I'm gonna unbox. But first, I wanna make a juice. Look at this, you guys. This is health right here. So I'm gonna make a green juice. This is gonna have some apples. I threw in grapefruit just because I enjoy grapefruit juice and it's super powerful. We're talking about healing the body from cancer, abnormal cells. I've had abnormal cervical cells, skin cancer, ovarian cysts, and I really just want to start digging deeper, and I really want to start regenerating the human body and seeing what I can do. So we're gonna really go full board into this, and I'm just going to cleanse my body and give it as much healthy food as I possibly can. And this is how we can regenerate. This is how we can turn some of these cells around and just, you know, feel good, feel our best, and have the most energy possible. So this is what it's all about. This is what I'm sharing, and we're gonna make juice. So we'll open this box later. I'll show you guys some of the herbs. I already have some herbs here. The herbs are not, I would say if you have a low income right now, then just start by bringing in some fruit. Fruit is amazing, you guys. Bananas are fairly cheap, even carrots. I got a 2-pound bag of organic carrots for $2. So that was really great. And you can, you know, shop around, find some deals, ask when certain deals are, and yeah, go from there. All right, you guys, so what I have here, I'm just gonna turn this on. I have a whole load of spinach, and I like to give my cats some spinach as well. No banana this time, spinach. So, spinach, if you are low on iron, you really want to make sure you're getting in the greens. Your spinach is where it's at for that, as well as your beets. So try to get in the beets and spinach and your leafy greens. Greens, like green juices, are one of my top favorites because they have the chlorophyll and the minerals, like this kale right here. The minerals is what our bodies are lacking these days. We really aren't getting enough minerals from the foods that we're eating. So I got some parsley here too. So we really want to make sure that we're getting in a lot of calcium-rich foods. So we got parsley, these herbs, you guys, the herbs and fruit, that's where it's at. If you could just start with some simple herbs and some fruit, you're on a great path. You're on the path to Wellville, not Hellville, which I have spun around in circles through medical doors for so long. I think I got some cilantro in here too, so we're just gonna, I washed these, so it looks like a bit of a mess right now in this bowl, but it's going to be amazing. Turn it up a bit. Dealing with skin issues like me, you can do just a simple carrot juice. That will really help you out. Maybe some apples, really good for the colon. If you guys got intestinal issues, you can do whole modern meals of apples. Really good. For pain, lemon, right, you guys, here it is. This is gonna be a great juice. Now, some of you may wonder what I do with the pulp. Now this is interesting because I have a friend who has a dehydrator and they're actually gonna be using the pulp to make crackers. That is really, really awesome. So I wanna get a dehydrator, I really do. I think we can make a lot of great recipes, but you don't need one. It's just, in case you're wondering what I do with the pulp, I will be giving it to a friend. Okay, here it goes. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna taste. I wasn't planning on throwing that grapefruit in there. So, wow, that's powerful, you guys. So this is medicine, the medicine I like. And yeah, what I was saying is most of our diets out there, especially if you're on the standard American diet, we're lacking in a lot of minerals, a lot of mineral-rich foods. And that's where these green juices can really help bring in the minerals and help, you know, with leaking here, and, you know, help with deficiencies. If you guys have any deficiencies, this is where it's at. You're getting in your micronutrients. But if you're malabsorbed like me, what I will be doing are some mono meals of apples and grapes and just really trying to clean out the colon. So here I have an adrenal tonic, a Parasite M, and I have kidneys and bladder. For me, working on the kidneys and the adrenal glands I'll be doing that for life, you guys, working on those, because I have damaged them through the diet that I was eating. So the meat, the dairy, the fast food back in the day, it was great, it was fun, but I paid for it, you guys. So now I am trying to get my health back and, you know, pay my debt. Pay my debt to nature. So if you guys, any of you are dealing with cancer, ovarian cysts, I've gone through the revolving door of the medical establishment of take this pill, let's cut that out, let's refer you to one doctor. You get referred to so many different doctors for different types of issues and never gets to the root of the problem. So what do we want to do? We want to regenerate and we want to heal the body. So we got all this here. Okay, so you guys interested in what I got here? What I got, I could pop these all day. I love popping these. So to start with, Regenerate, because I'm malabsorbed, I got the GI Broom. So this is what I'm going to be using to clean out my colon. This is really exciting. We got some really good herbs in here. Really good herb. And marshmallow root, you can't go wrong with marshmallow root. Bayberry root. Slippery elm bark. But you guys, if you can't, let's say you want to like try to get some herbs in and you don't want to spend too much money, the Heal All Tea with fruit, that is a powerful combination right there. So this Heal All Tea is amazing. You got lots of herbs in here, and that, I've heard some people like healing their kidneys and adrenal glands just by this Heal All Tea. So I would say if you can't, if you don't have the money right now for certain types of herbs or protocol, stick with the Heal All Tea and the fruit, like your grapes, your berries, getting in lots of green juices, and you're going to be you're on the path to Wellville. And this is what I'm going to be rolling out with. I'm going to be sharing as much food as possible, a lot of raw food, and how I'm healing, and the ups, the downs. We're sharing it all, and I hope you join me, and this is going to be exciting. So stay tuned, you guys. Best wishes, and we will catch up with you very soon.